Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the problem. Check the exact battery percent and recent drain stats in settings so you know baseline numbers. Once done, enable developer options and USB debugging to access deeper stats and app behavior. This helps you identify wake locks. Plug the phone into its original charger and use a reliable 1 amp to 2 amp adapter so charging is steady while you run tests. Make sure to close heavy apps and disable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth briefly to isolate background drain. Now dig into what's actually draining power. Open battery details and look for waking apps, then force stop or uninstall offenders. Clear their cache to remove corrupted temp files. Next, apply background restrictions and turn on battery optimizations for non-essential apps so they can't run unseen. Update the OS and apps because patches often fix leaks. If drain began after a specific update, consider rolling that app back. Also check sync intervals and location settings and reduce them to save power. Finish by validating fixes. Reboot into safe mode to see if the drain stops. If it does, a third-party app is the culprit. Calibrate the battery. Charge fully, discharge to around 5%, then charge to 100% to refresh the meter. If problems persist, back up your data and perform a factory reset. This removes deep software corruption. If reset still fails, replace the battery or contact service. Troubleshooting tip: if device heats while charging, stop and seek repair to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.